Hey there, and welcome to another Clean With Me. Today I'm sharing my Sunday routine to get prepped for a fresh new week. We have a lot to do today, so if you're not already subscribed, please do so and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. All right, let's get started. All right, so pretty much every single one of my cleaning routines start with doing laundry. That is because it is my most hated cleaning chore. I hate washing my clothes and putting them away and folding them. It's just a first world problem, but it's something that I hate. So with anything in life, anything I hate to do, I try to do that first to get it over with.
Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit when we go for gold. We can shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little Let's hit the club, time to make.
All right, now into the bathroom. The bathroom wasn't that bad, but it was definitely in need of some cleaning. I started off by taking a magic eraser and taking it to all of the high traffic areas. Any scuffs or any stains that I found on the wall, I just quickly buffed out. Quentin and I's lease is up in a couple of months and we're not sure if we're going to stay or move elsewhere. So I just wanted to clean this up now so that way when we have to move out, it doesn't look that bad and I don't have as much to do. I'm also just going to be spraying down my tub and my shower with some shower cleaner. You let it sit for a little bit before you go back in and scrub. And I typically don't use my tub that often, but I did look and it was super dusty.
We can shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Oh, shine a little tonight. Oh yeah, we can shine a little tonight. We can shine.
For the shower, what I like to do weekly is go in with that Scrubbing Bubbles shower cleaner to get rid of the soap scum on the tiles and on the glass, but on the corners where mold can form, I like to use some Clorox. This is just a Clorox spray, and I like to hit all of those little corners that can get smelly and disgusting with grime and mold, and I let that sit for a little bit to eat away the mold before I scrub the entire shower. For the tub, I just took that shower cleaner as well and a little bit of Pine Sol and just scrubbed everything super thoroughly to get rid of all of that just dust that was just sitting on the tub.
Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us on tonight. Gotta risk.
Back in the shower, I gave it a good scrub, and now I'm just wiping down all of the walls with some water, the areas that the shower nozzle cannot hit. And also what I like to do weekly is take a little bit of cleaner and soak the shower head. I feel like mold and dirt and nastiness just sits up in the holes of the nozzle, and this just makes sure that it runs very smoothly and it doesn't smell, which is a major key.
And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party
Okay, I know this might be random, but I've had this container of marble nuggets sitting on my counter for pretty much like 6 months now, and it's meant for my lucky bamboo that I meant to clean the jar and replace the pebbles with. So I thought, you know what? Stop stalling on this, just go ahead and do it right now. So that's what I'm doing, giving it a nice clean and sanitize. Oh my god, you guys, it looks so much better with the white marble, and just the fact that the container is nice and clean. I cannot believe I put this off so long. Ugh, it's just night and day. Another thing I'm doing to prep for the week is washing all of my makeup brushes. Now, I haven't really been wearing that much makeup during quarantine because although I am using video chat, I don't wear makeup every day like I did when I went to work. So I've actually haven't been washing my makeup brushes as frequently as I used to do, which is absolutely disgusting. So I'm giving it a really good thorough cleaning. I love using Castile soap. It's super gentle on your brushes, but I feel like they get super clean. So I just take some Castile soap, some really hot water, and my makeup brush scrubbing mitt, and I just go to town and get them all nice and clean for the week.
A different side of me, yeah.
All right, in the kitchen, it was a hot mess. I just felt like it was so dirty and sticky. There was crumbs everywhere. There's a bunch of stuff in the sink. So what I'm doing is just cleaning everything that's in the sink, unloading the dishwasher.
Signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy. Cause you make it real, yeah. You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah.
Every week I like to give the sink a really good deep clean. So I'll make a paste out of some soap and some Barkeeper's Friend, and then I take this scrubby brush I got for like $1 at the dollar store, and I scrub every inch of the sink just to make sure that it's nice and clean and shiny, but most importantly, it's disinfected. I hate a dirty sink, so just doing this gives me peace of mind that everything's nice and clean.
I can feel that you're changing me. Day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away. Got me moving through time.
I also like this Method disinfectant spray, and I'm just going to spray this everywhere all over the counter, let it sit for a little bit, and then I like to go in with a microfiber towel and just scrub any stickiness like honey or candy or cheese, random things that you'll find on your counter. And with the counters being marble, you can definitely see stains, and when it's super dirty. All right, we are more than halfway through with this clean with me. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Are you cleaning your whole house as well, prepping for the brand new week? Or are you focusing on like your kitchen or your bathroom? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear what you are focusing on this Sunday.
You'll find a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and the broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. Their feet defeating the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause
If you love LaCroix as much as I do, definitely give this video a thumbs up. I love an ice cold LaCroix. It just does something to me. So I'm going to stock up the fridge with some LaCroix. If you've never had it before, it's just sparkling water with a hint of flavor, like a hint of flavor. And it just satiates that craving for a soda. They are so good. All right, like I said, we're almost done. So I am folding the towels that I just washed. And then I'm going to just wipe down my end tables. They are so dusty and full of Brooklyn's hair, and I am so allergic to her, but I love her so much, so I have to just make sure everything is wiped down. That way I'm not breathing in dust and dog hair all throughout the night.
they're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite. We're dynamite. Can't feel it. Can't feel it. Can't feel it. And we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us.
Into the closet we go. I'm hanging up all of the clothes that I just washed. I feel like my closet is forever messy looking. It's because on the floor I have a bunch of bags that I meant to go donate before the start of the pandemic. Literally right before the pandemic, I had gone through all of my stuff from my desk and my closet, the clothes that no longer fit me, and I was ready to donate them, and then all of the donation centers closed, so they've just been on my floor ever since. I also have a ton of clothes that I want to sell on Poshmark, but then I wasn't sure if people were buying because of the pandemic, so I just have a bunch of stuff on my floor that I just want to get rid of because it just looks so cluttered.
The ties, but I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but never, never.
And lastly, we are back in the kitchen. I am unloading the dishwasher of the things that I just washed.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice.
And I'm also gonna prep some food for the week. So what I like to do is take some roasted veggies and put them on top of rice with some protein. And that's pretty much my lunch for the week. I love to eat super healthy and clean. I am trying to lose some weight. I am doing the Chloe Ting challenge, but I also want to eat healthier because I've had so many fried foods this quarantine. So I am just roasting some zucchini, some sweet potato ribbons, and also some chickpeas for my lunch.
Got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a week or two, I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck, and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track.
And this is the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Definitely subscribe if you are new here. Give this video a thumbs up. And I hope to see you in a couple of days in a brand new video. Bye!